This tutorial will guide you through the process of building an experience and linking it to your Shopify product. First, open your dashboard and navigate to the side menu to access the Experience tab. Click on the Experience tab on the right-hand side. Click the blue button labeled New Experience. A pop-up menu will appear. In the pop-up menu, select the type of experience you want to create. In this tutorial, I'll click on Web App and then select the Choose Experience button. Here we are, on the Experience name page. I'll go ahead and enter the name for my experience. Since I want to link the experience to a Shopify product, I'll click on the Connect to a Shopify product option here. When you open the drop-down, you'll see a list of all the products in your Shopify store. Now, I'll type the product name in the drop-down and save my selection. Notice that the experience name is displayed in the top left corner. And here, you can see the Shopify product it is linked to. If you wish to edit it, just click the Edit button and you'll be redirected back to the experience name page. Now, I'll customize the details of my experience. All of these details are imported from Shopify. Currently, we have a background image imported from Shopify. To upload a new background image, click the plus button. This will allow you to select an image from your files. I can also choose an image from the library by simply clicking on the plus button and clicking Save. Here, you can see the uploaded image displayed in the gallery. Now, let's customize title to the experience. Enter experience subtitle. Enter SKU number. Enter the price. This product page URL is sourced from your Shopify store. You can also remove it if you'd like or leave it unchanged. Enter retail channel. This is an optional field. Enter category. This is also an optional field. This product description is from Shopify. You can edit it, but it won't appear in the experience. Save your changes. Currently, no modules have been added to this experience. To enhance it, click on the Modules tab to add modules. You have a list of modules over here. Click on a module and drag it here to add it. Use the drop-down to select an existing module or create a new one. Let's create a new module. Enter the name of module. Enter call to action. Enter the content into the custom content field. Click Save. Now let us demonstrate our experience. Here's the experience linked to Shopify, along with the custom module you've added.